Hi guys, my name is Archit and I'm here to speak about Conn. So Conn is the macOS Notch app that I built for OpenAI Build week. You can see the GitHub repo over here. So it is just a basic macOS Notch app that shows notifications and approvals and even the entire chat. I'll give you a quick demo in a second. So let's just jump in with how I use ChatGPT, Codex and GPT-5.6 to start the project. So on Friday night, I was brainstorming ideas with ChatGPT, and this is the entire chat. I was just looking for ideas, giving it my thoughts, and then finally, I asked it to write a handover document, right? And then I took that same handover document and gave it to Codex. And now this is where the magic begins. So there is this skill called Grill Me with Dogs by Matt Pollock, and I decided using it. And as you can see, GPT 5.6 Soul relentlessly asked me questions about edge cases that I probably didn't even think of. And we were going back and forth. I was giving it my opinions. Most of it was just agree. Sometimes I would give it pushback. And here, I'm just fixing a bug in the app that I'm shipping. It shows me notification. So the entire idea behind building this was I didn't want to lose my flow state, but I also didn't want to keep staring at Codex. And sometimes I don't have two monitors, so I can basically be browsing Hugging Face and then I can just do a quick peek. Let's do a quick demo. Over here I have a throwaway project, and there I will ask it to ask for approvals and ask it to do two calls that require permissions and then notify me of completion and notify completion. Yes, let's go. And then I could be just doing something else, browsing models on Hugging Face, and then it will show me a notification, and then it will ask for approval. So I can say approve for this session, then it will exactly show me what's going on. Again, approve for this session, and then it should show me a completion. Yeah, this is it. This is basically how I did it. And then from the grilling session, I got a plan, and the plan was divided into phases, and there was an ADR. So an ADR is basically every decision you make with the agent, it gets encoded, and whenever you are spawning new threads, the agent always checks the ADR, and if there are conflicting decisions, then you create a new ADR, you update the old ADR, and it helps you to pivot in between implementation. Be sure to check this project out, guys. I really poured my heart out into it, and this is something that I really want to continue working on. And I have open sourced it on GitHub, so if you guys feel like doing it, it's an alpha, so the setup is a bit janky, but please go ahead and give it a try. I hope you like it. And that's my time.